This bike, I have noticed, has gained some popularity on my channel. It's the 1983 XR200. Nobody's really asked about it, where it's been or anything, because it's been like a year since almost 2 years since I posted a video on it. Well, the cam chain went out of time, or jump time, or let's say this, the whole bike jump time. So I've completely, it's already put all back together, but I've got new guides for it, new cam chain and sprockets, replaced a piston and ring, and I've got the engine all back together. It's gonna run. So right now, I'm just putting the bike back together, getting it back in the frame, the carburetor back on, the air filter back on. I got the original mud guard right here. The bike is 100% original. That's even the chain and sprockets. And you can look at these guys. Look at the teeth. They are not doing too good. So what I was doing, I was looking on eBay a minute ago. See, right here, they got some like original, they look pretty similar. They're not fully original though, but for not too bad of a price. But I'm thinking about doing those. But once I get the bike put all back together, I'm gonna go out there and really detail the crap out of it. Make sure it runs, let the piston do its thing, and get used to the bike, and make adjustments. I bought some some yellow stickers actually that match I have the original rear fenders right here. I'm gonna keep them original, not really gonna touch them, but the front was missing. It's yellow, so I bought some yellow sticker that's gonna go over it, and I get it cut out and stuff. Get that all fixed. I'm gonna make the bike real good. It's gonna shine it up real good. And then I'm gonna go ride it. It's gonna be a fun bike to ride. I got the 250 over here. I have some really bad news about it. I think a valve fell through and has bent in with the piston, and it stopped the piston because the bike is completely locked up. Cannot do anything. So I can't even push it down right there. So it's completely locked up. The bottom end's good though, because I can shift it into gear. But we think it's a piston and the valves. Rox, be quiet, please. I'm videoing. Shh. Go out of there with this, please. I'm videoing. What?
I'm looking.
Look at what? Because I'm trying to talk and you're being loud. I love you. Okay, so this bike is down for a bit until I get some extra money to rebuild it. It's kind of sad because I just got this thing rebuilt for the first time, after the wreck. I new rear wheel and just a whole bunch of crap I had to do to it. So now I've just went ahead and moved on to the next project, which is this, because I already had every part for it. This whole toolbox is full of parts to put it all back together. I got the engine put back together in a couple days, and I was gonna put it back together, and I'm gonna ride it. It'll be a fun little bike to ride. May end up keeping it, may sell it. I don't know what y'all's thoughts are, but I was thinking of fixing this and getting rid of it. All right, just selling the 250, keep the XR200 as a good trail bike, but I'm gonna buy this for my grandpa. The Elsinore. So I'm buying the Elsinore from him. It runs, just needs to be cleaned up and worked on. But I'm thinking about buying the Elsinore for my grandpa and using that as a good little race bike every once in a while. And then the XR200 would be just a good daily rider. I know it's a smaller bike, doesn't have as much crazy speed as the 250. But it's just a really fun bike, and I really enjoyed it. And I love the modern machines, believe me. But there's just something in my heart about vintage bikes that I don't know. They win every time. So I'm thinking about it. If you have any ideas on it, me doing, getting rid of the bike and stuff, just tell me if I'm making the right choice. But it's hard, and yeah. So so I'm gonna get the XR200 fixed. I'm gonna be buying the Elsinore. I know it. Like, even if I don't sell the 250, I'm gonna be buying the Elsinore. So that's gonna be a future project. I might even get Caleb Braden in on it. Or get Caleb Braden in on it, you know. He wants to help out with it. And another cool thing real quick before I let y'all go is this Honda cover here. Y'all seen a video before. I'm going to also buy this for my grandpa as well. It's mint condition and it runs. It's a great little bike. I'm going to buy it and ride my girlfriend around on it. I think it'll be fun. But, yeah, so y'all have a good day, and I'll be back with y'all soon. See y'all.